guys, Adam from Timmy's Detailing. We just had a VH come in for a bit of Timmy's detailing treatment, and yeah, we've installed 2 coats of ceramic coating and the full package, which is the interior and full exterior coating, which is wheels, exterior trims and things like that. However, the car came with a lot of sanding marks, a lot of scratches, and had a slight fading on certain panels. So we worked on that with light sanding and stage 3 paint correction. However, once we finished all the work, we gave the 2 layers of coating, which is the Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra and the top coat Exo, followed by the wheel armour and all the remaining ceramic coatings. On the other hand, we also steam cleaned the engine as well as the interior. We sort of bring it back to its original look, restored the way it should look like, and now we're here with our customer Ziad, and just wanted to ask him how his experience was and what he thinks about the finished results.
Well, it's definitely a different car than when it came in. It's a big transformation. I didn't believe it was going to be that good. I thought it was going to be good, but not that good. So yeah, it's even better than like a crazy paint job right now. It's glowing inside and out, so I'm really happy with it. You sure do know your stuff. You do know what you're doing, that's for sure.
What about the tea on top?
Made the tea and the dessert, the Turkish dessert. Oh my God, I got to come back for more. Bring the whole family. No, awesome service. You can't get better than that. Food, drinks, quality work, good person. What more do you want? Perfect.
Nothing better than a happy customer.
Very happy. Mate, I got 3 to 4 more cars, muscle cars to bring, and my boat. So you're going to be busy boy. After seeing that, I can't wait to bring the next one.
Can't wait to work on that boat though.
Appreciate you. Good work.
Yeah.
Awesome.
No worries guys, let us know if you have any questions, but enjoy the video.